Honda Civic rebuild teardown number 2. Sills, or rockers as they're known in the USA, full of holes. A little bit more solid towards the front. Let's get a better shot there. There we go, a little bit more solid. I can probably save a lot of that, if not most of it. Going up there, quite nasty, quite gnarly, but solid. And this is where it gets interesting. There we go. Right, all of that has basically become a distant memory as before. There we go, it's all nice and soft. Windshield's got to come out so that I can get into that, door off. Yeah, got to cut a lot out there, a lot of fabrication, go all the way around there. Possibly take the top of this out as well, but if you use a stainless steel cutting disc, it makes a nice thin incision. Salvage the good metal, weld it back in again. Fabricate everything inside and out of the car there, salvage that bit. Inner wing itself, nice and solid. Nice and solid. Last one I did, all that was missing, so that's a bonus. We come around to the front bulkhead. That's got some holes in, but the profile's still there. Well, it's a nice little rounded corner, it's nice. Bottom of the, no, I can see that. Bottom of the front lower valance, that's gone. Same thing on the other side. That is going to need a little bit of work there, and more than a little bit of work there. That hole is actually a cold air intake for the engine, but believe it or not, interesting. Again, inner wing's nice and solid, so that's good. But again, that corner a little bit better, but yeah, a lot of layers to rebuild, so that should be a lot of fun. And that sill is actually, I think, a little bit worse than the other one. That would be nice. Inner wing again, pretty solid. Pretty solid. Yeah. Okay, so there's the engine. 1500 CVCC, 12 valve engine, 2 intake, 1 exhaust on each of the 4 cylinders. This is actually an air-conditioned car. The compressor has been removed previously, all the air conditioning gubbins has been packed away. So the plan is I need to find some boxes or something, organise some storage and get all the ancillaries out. So horn, fusible link and its bracket, cabling, braking system out, all of the emissions control out, ignition out. Basically get everything out. Clear as much space around the engine as possible. That's a total rebuild. Apparently it did work before the car was laid up. I think just tear it down and rebuild it. Why not? It's been sat for ages and who knows what condition the piston rings are in. And then before that comes out, I want to get the windshield out, because there is it's irreplaceable and it's original. I don't want that thing swinging around on the end of the crane and nailing that. So let's just get it out while we can. Empty the windshield wiper channel, and then we can start fabricate bits for the car. I have to save up some pennies to get the welding equipment, but what I can do is cut out the rust, fabricate the new bits, got all the equipment for that. So that really should be a lot of fun. So yeah, this is what happens when you park a car under a tree for 20 years and leave it waist deep in grass. Just parking them, they can stay pretty solid, but that's going to need some fabrication. Okay, next step will be start stripping the ancillaries out the engine bay. Probably get seats, doors and tailgate off.